Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
76 degrees, our air temperature, dew point value coming in at the same 100% relative humidity out there. We do have some showers in progress in places. Our rain chance at about 30% through the morning hours into the early afternoon. Then as we head into the middle part of the afternoon, our rain chances go down pretty quickly. In fact, by 3 p.m., we only have about a 10% chance of rain, and that'll be mostly in inland areas. You can see this line of showers lifting northward, kind of decaying away as it does so. We've been talking about that all morning. Our rain chance, about 30% in parts of Charlotte County and near Arcadia and maybe in Venice. But then as you head further to the north, rain chance about 20%. We'll continue to watch this line basically fall apart as our sea breeze begins to form and pushes everything into inland areas a little bit later in the day. Inglewood has a brief shower in progress. That's about it. We have a westerly wind flow again today. That encourages those inland showers as it pushes our sea breeze a little bit further into the inland areas, gets it going a little bit sooner, and that is the area of convergence that will create the showers and thunderstorms in inland locations. Now we might get a coastal shower briefly, but mostly it's focused inland, and that's where the heaviest of the rain will fall. Now tomorrow, much better chances for coastal showers and thunderstorms because our winds are going to shift. They'll shift back to the east, and that easterly wind flow takes those inland showers that develop along our sea breeze front in the afternoon and pushes them back toward the coast instead of further and further away from the coast, such as we'll see today with a west wind. So one more day of this west wind flow, then the wind shift tomorrow. And of course, we continue to watch the tropics carefully. Many places are active in the tropics now. We've got Helene, Tropical Storm Isaac, Florence. We have a disturbance number 2, which both moves away from us, as does Helene, so neither of those are of issue. And then we've got 95L. Both 95L, Florence, and Isaac could conceivably threaten the United States. Now, Florence is a formidable storm. Right now undergoing an eye wall replacement cycle. You can kind of see a secondary eye wall beginning to form around the interior eye wall. That is often an indication of slow intensification as we head into the afternoon, perhaps. Right now, it means that the storm system, the eye wall, the original eye wall, is being choked off by this outer eye wall, and so don't expect to see much development with this system over the next few hours. But over the next 24, perhaps so. 140-mile-an-hour winds right now make it a Cat 4. Needs to get up to 156 before it's a Cat 5, so it's got a ways to go. It moves closer to the shore by Friday, Thursday night, or Friday morning, and probably makes landfall as a major hurricane on that coastline. We're looking at a northwest wind coming in at about 10 knots today. And the forecast for the week ahead calls for 30% chance of storms today. Tomorrow, kind of a transition day. Better chances on Thursday as inland storms are driven back toward the coast by a developing east wind. And then over the weekend, with the data we have to work with right now, we'll call for an actual decrease in our rain chances because we'll be on the sinking air side of Florence as it makes landfall in the mid-Atlantic.